Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Um corpo assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Um corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar um beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi.
Hi guys, I'm back. I know it's been a little bit. My camera's been broken. I'm currently using just a really big camera, so I haven't really been vlogging. Once you kind of get out of the habit of filming, it is really hard to get back into it, but I'm back. Today is just a Sunday. I have work tomorrow, and I really kind of just need to reset because my room behind me is a disgusting mess. But I just wanted to get back into the groove of filming. If I'm looking this way, it's because this camera has the viewfinder here, so I can't really see what I'm doing unless I'm looking in the viewfinder. So I'm sorry, it's gonna be annoying. I'm just gonna do my hair oiling routine and just catch up on some things. Major update. I adopted a dog a month ago and my life has changed. I am a mother. He is my bestie. His name is Blue. He's a pit mix. I'm gonna include some clips of my day yesterday, but me and my friend Caitlin, we went to go get mimosas, and every week I've been trying to do something new with him to kind of get him in a new environment, see how he is. We had some mimosas, they brought him a little water bowl, and he was literally so good. Every single person in the restaurant complimented him.
Okay. Brought summer. Majestic. Hi. Such a good movie. 125 by miles.
Oh, my beautiful boy. And it was also the FSU game, so we went to go watch that at this little like outdoor bar thing. I've been thinking about getting a dog for a while, and I just felt like this was the right time. I work from home, I have a stable income, so I definitely can take care of a dog, and I have time to spend with my dog, and it's just been the best. Like, he is so good. I really could not have asked for a better dog, and I'm obsessed with him. He was in the pound. I wasn't really planning on leaving with the dog that day, but then I met him and I just knew. He was extremely skinny, and like you could see his bones. When I got him, he was about 10 months old, so still a puppy, had been kept in a cage pretty much his whole life from his previous owners, so he really didn't get any socialization. He was just not treated well, obviously. I started training him immediately, and he's picked up so fast. I'm taking the Miel rosemary oil, and I'm just going to be putting that all around my scalp. Usually I feel like summertime is when I'm always like super active and filming, but it's a little bit different now that I don't really have a summer break. I'm just working. So yeah, that's been the update of where I've been, what's happening. It really hasn't been much except for getting Blue. It's been quite a boring summer. I did not quite have the brat summer that I hoped, but it's okay because now it's gonna be Broadham, or Demure Fall. I don't know which one I'm going for yet. Then I'm using argan oil. I'm getting my hair done on Thursday, thank goodness, because I really need a trim. My ends are just like really dry. Okay, done.
To be honest, I ate the other half of the bagel because bacon was taking too long.
I just made my coffee. I put on this cute little set from Organic Basics.
Yeah, no.
Show you guys the set that I'm wearing really fast from Organic Basics, who is sponsoring today's video. They are just a really cool brand. They're based in Copenhagen. They're sustainable. Both of the pieces that I'm wearing right now are made from organic cottons. The top is the Flex Cotton Tee. The pants are the Core Sport straight pants, and they're both in the color Rosewood, which is this super pretty like dusty pink, and then the bottoms are actually also rosewood, but they're a little bit more mauve. I just really love the feel of them. Like, they're very breathable and lightweight and very soft. They're very flattering, like they just hug your body really well. Thank you, Organic Basics, for sponsoring today's video. I do have a discount code. It's EmmaClaire10 for 10% off, and I have a link in the description that you can check out as well if you're interested. They have a ton of pieces. They have intimates, loungewear, athleisure sort of clothes, and they're all just very timeless, basic staples that are great to have in your closet. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Hey guys, it's a lot later. I was planning on having such a productive day, but it ended up being just a really lazy Sunday. Yeah, I don't know, that's kind of how just the working life has been. I am like now 9 months into being a part of the workforce, and I'm definitely starting to feel a little bit of burnout. I feel like I don't even have enough time in the day to finish all my stuff, so on the weekends I have really just been lazy. I definitely want to get back into YouTube and posting on social media because I feel like this is the opposite for a lot of people, but it actually makes me happier, especially now that I do have a 9-to-5 job. Like, I think I need some other purpose than just working, and just get to be creative and kind of do things with my own like creative direction, I guess. Earlier I cleaned my room. My bed looked so comfy that I had to go get in it, so I showered, got the oil mask out of my hair. I think I'm literally just going to get in my bed and lay with my doggy and go on Pinterest and watch a TV show.